Hello friends, this is our next question of income and expenditure account with some adjustments. Okay, let's see. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2020 from the following balances. Okay, what are the balances? Salary and wages 30,000, subscription 3 lakh, furniture 80,000, sports material 40,000, stationery 10,000, rent 12,000, postage 3,000, repairs 10,000, building 2 lakh, life membership fees revenue 2 lakh 50,000, sale of old newspaper means it is receipt 5,000, interest on investment 15,000. Okay, let's see. Bifurcate what are receipt and what are expenditure. Salary and wages, these are expenditure. Subscription, this is receipt. Furniture, this is also expenditure, but it is capital expenditure. It is recorded in balance sheet. Sports material, here sports material consumption is recorded. Consumption. Okay, let's see what is consumption and how it is recorded. Stationery, it is also expenditure. Rent, it is expenditure. Postage, expenditure. Repairs, expenditure. Building, it is also expenditure, but it is of capital nature and it is our asset. It is recorded in balance sheet. Life membership fee, it is receipt and it is revenue, then it will be recorded in our income and expenditure account. Sale of old newspaper, receipt. Interest on investment, receipt. Means it is our income. Okay, what is additional information? There are 2,600 life of the club, life members of the club who required to pay the membership fee or 100 each. Means 2,600 members are there and they each have to pay 100 each. Means 2,600 into 100, it becomes 2,60,000. Okay, and how we have received 2,50,000 means 10,000 is outstanding. Okay, salary and wages prepaid 2,000. Prepaid means it is prepaid for the next year. Means from this we will minus it as it is prepaid, and as it is prepaid we will minus or less in income and expenditure account, but its second effect is given as our asset. It is prepaid means in next year we does not have to pay, that's why it is recorded in our asset side. Okay, debit, and in income and expenditure it is minus we will minus it from salary and wages. Same as life membership fee, it is same as life membership fee. It is total our life membership fee is 2,60,000 and we had received in this year 2,50,000. Means outstanding will be added here in income and income side, and added in income side in life membership fee, and second effect will be given on asset side as we will receive it after some time. Okay, these are our adjustment and question. Let's see its solution. Income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Okay, we had already made format here: expenditure account, income amount. Okay, let's see what is our first item given. Balances salary and wages. Salary and wages is 30,000 and what we will do, prepaid 2,000 is less from here. Why? It is for next year, and we write in income and expenditure account only current year expenditure and income of revenue nature only. Okay, this is revenue nature but it is of next year, that's why we less here, less. Okay, it is 28,000. Then sports material 40,000, Stationery 10,000. I told you that we will write its consumption. We have to write its consumption, but we do not have opening stock and closing stock. Means it is total sports material consumed in this current year is 40,000. Okay, stationery 10,000, rent 12,000, postage 3,000, repairs 10,000. Okay, surplus. For this we stop here. Let's see income. Income side, first we will write by subscription. Subscription, we received 3 lakh in this year. Subscription is given this, okay, 3 lakh. Then by membership fees. Membership fees, I told you it is 2,60,000 total. 2,60,000 how? 2,600 multiplied by 100. Okay, but we had received only 2,50,000 and 10,000 in outstanding. That's why we added here 10,000 and it become 2,60,000 for this current year. Okay, then we received by sales of old newspaper 5,000, by interest on investment 15,000. Now what we will do? We will total this income side and its total is 5,80,000. Then we will minus total of expenditure side. After doing this, after doing calculation, what we find is that our income is more than our expenditure. That's why we got balancing figure as surplus, and our surplus is 4,77,000. Okay, here our income and expenditure tallies at 5,80,000, 5,80,000. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.